Hi guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing the new BuddyPhones wireless play. So we got these from Cayenne's mom. If you know her, her name's Yvonne. We won these at their random lucky draw, so I guess we're really lucky. Alright, so we're gonna look inside. So we got the blue ones. And you can customize them with your own stickers. Let's open it up now. Okay, so these are the BuddyPhones. Wow. Okay, so this is for charging. This is the bag to put your BuddyPhones in. And then these, I think, are some stickers. All right. They're very shiny. Okay, so these are the BuddyPhones. You can stretch them if you have, if they're longer. So we're gonna put them on. They feel very comfy, and also if you have sensitive skin and you're worried that the cushions might irritate your skin, it won't, because it's anti-allergic cushion. So that's good. Okay, now we're gonna put some stickers on. Oh, and this is Bluetooth. So if you want to play music, you need to connect it to your device with Bluetooth. Okay, so I just finished putting on my stickers here. And so these are their old headphones, which I really love, because like on the bus, your bus ride might be really long and you're like, oh, I want to listen to some music. And your friend's like, can I listen with you? But then you're like, oh, my headphones, we can't listen because these are headphones. But then with BuddyPhones, they have this super cool jack, and where your friend can put her headphone jack into it, and you can connect this one to your device, and then you can both hear the music. So I'm gonna put these on. These ones I have these star stickers on. Oh, and also on the box it says they have these modes that you can control over here. These are these buttons. I'm not sure if you can really see them, but they're a bit bumpy. Okay, so you can press those to control the mode. There's toddler mode, kids mode, travel mode, and study mode. Oh, and one super special thing about BuddyPhones is that it's volume control, which some parents are like, oh, let's see how loud your music is, because they're worried that it might hurt your ears. But on BuddyPhones, it controls the volume, so your music isn't super loud, so your parents don't need to worry about your ears getting hurt. To turn your BuddyPhones on, you're just gonna press this little happy face here, long press, and then you're gonna go on your device and look for BuddyPhones, and then press it, and then you'll connect and play your music. It's pretty straightforward and easy. Okay, so now we're gonna pair these BuddyPhones with my iPod. I don't think I've actually ever done this. Okay, I'm gonna put my BuddyPhones on, and let's see the music. So here we're just gonna go into music. Okay, so it does work. I was just playing some Fifth Harmony, and so the sound is much clearer than the old BuddyPhones. And there are some really cool different modes. Like if you're studying, then there's a mode for studying. If you're on the airplane, there's a mode for airplane. And if you're a toddler's listening, there is a mode for toddlers. Okay, so we can actually pair the BuddyPhones with the old ones. So this is my sister Alicia. She's using my old BuddyPhones. I'm using the brand new ones. So can you hear it?
Yes.
Is it nice and loud?
Yes.
So if you're playing like video games on the iPad, like I don't know, and then you want to both hear, then you can pair it to the device that you're playing video games on. So bye guys, and I think this BuddyPhones is really cool and amazing. Thank you for the wonderful gift from On and Off.